Okay po. So once again, Happy New Year. So balikan ko lang yung sinasabi ko kanina. Last time we discussed about the relationship between central angle at saka po inscribed angle with its intercepted arc. Ang sabi natin, pag central angle, kung ano measurement ng ating pong central angle sa ring measurement ng intercepted arc. And pagdating naman po sa inscribed angle, kung ano measurement ng ating pong intercepted arc, kalahati nun ang sa intercepted angle, inscribed angle. So we'll be more focused on the angles and the segments formed by chords, second and saka po tangent today. Okay po, let me share my screen. Okay. Yan. Nakikita po? Nakikita po ang screen?
Yes po.
Okay po. So let's start with angle form by lines and angles. Okay po. So as you may see here, the first one is the intersection between two seconds. At nag-intersect sila outside the circle. Kung mapapansin natin, we have 2 seconds here. We have second AC and the second EC which intersect at point C outside the circle. Kita po yun? Maliwanag po yun?
Yes, sir.
Oh. In this case, dahil nag-meet ang second AC at ang ating pong second EC sa outside the circle, they form an angle which is angle ACE, which is named after X. Okay, so ito po yung nabuo na angle. Angle ACE, which is formed using the second AC and the second AC. So paano natin makukuha ang measurement ng ating pong angle formed by 2 second outside the circle? So para po makita natin yan, we have this theorem. Ano yung theorem natin? So our theorem is 2 seconds. Angle AC is form 2 seconds intersecting outside the circle. The intercepted arcs, which is the angle arc BD and AE. At para makuha natin ang measurement ni angle ACE, kailangan natin i-find ang difference ng mga intercepted arc then divided by 2 or times 1/2. So kung mapapansin natin dito, ano yung mga intercepted arc natin, we have the intercepted arc AE which is bigger with 80 degrees and our smaller arc no nasa loob naman po ng ating pong angle which is BD which is 20 degrees. So ibig sabihin para makuha natin yung measurement ni angle ACE, kailangan natin pag-minusin si 80 at saka sa 20 which is both intercepted arcs, that will be 80 minus 20, that will be 60, divided by 2 or times 1/2, it will be 30. Now the measurement of angle ACE is 30. Clear po yon? Clear po?
Yes po, sir.
Okay po. Let's have further example. Katulad po dito, we have the second XA and we also have the second YA. They meet outside the circle at point A, kaya nabuo ang ating pong angle which is XAY. XAY. The question, what is the measurement of XAY? Itong angle na to. Para malaman natin ang measurement ni XAY, alamin lang muna natin sino yung mga intercepted arc. The intercepted arc ay yung mga arc na nasa loob mismo ng bibig ng angle. Those are arc XY and arc WZ. Okay. We have the arc XY and the arc WC. In order to find the measurement of angle XAY, kailangan lang natin pag-minusin ang dalawang arc na ito, which is 120 minus 40. That will equal to 80. Diba? Pero, para makuha natin yung angle XAY, it should be half nung ating pong difference. So, ibig sabihin, times 1/2, yung 80. So, our final answer, the measurement of angle XAY is 40 degrees. Clear po tayo doon?
Yes po.
Okay po. So, yun yung una, which we have the intersection of 2 seconds outside the circle. Okay? Clear natin to. Let's move. Okay po. Katulad naman ito, ang nawawala yung isang arc. Pero ang given na sa atin agad ang ating pong 80. So ibig sabihin, kapag ganito ang nawawala, pabalik ang ating pagsosolve. Alam natin na kapag pinag-minus natin si 185 at saka si x, at dinivide natin sa 2, dapat lalabas ay si 80. So ibalik natin. So ano dapat ang maging difference muna ni 185 at ni x para maging pag dinivide ko ng 2 ay 180? Ano muna dapat maging difference? It should be, anyone na pwede magsabi? Ano muna kaya dapat maging difference ni 185 at x para pag dinivide ko ay 80? Nang dinivide ko ng 2 ay 80. Yes, Aris or Ace.
160 po.
Correct. It should be 160. Para pag dinivide ko yung 160 divided by 2, that will be 80. So may idea ka na agad doon na dapat ang makuha mo sa pagma-minus mo ay 160. So ano ang ma-minus mo sa 185 para maging 160? Anong dapat value ng x para maging 160? Yes, still, Aris or Ace?
25 po.
Correct. It should be 25. Para ma-complete natin yung idea, 185 minus 25. 185 minus 25 is 160 divided by 280. So, nasunod natin yung ating pong theorem. Okay? Very good. Clear natin to. Let's have the next one. Okay, so ganyan din to, katulad nito. Ito naman, in this case, is a new theorem. Kung mapapansin nyo, hindi na to 2 second. Ito ay isang tangent at saka po isang secant. Okay, that meet outside the circle pa rin at a certain point. In this case, we have the secant DB and we also have the tangent AB that meet at point B outside the circle. Still, they form an angle which is angle ABD. Diba? Angle ABD. Paano natin malalaman ang measurement or paano natin makukuha ang measurement the ABD using this situation? Kapareho lang siya technically nung ating 2 seconds, which is kailangan lang muna nating hanapin ang ating pong mga intercepted arc. In this case, our intercepted arc are arc AD and arc AC. Arc AD is 100 degrees and our arc AC is 30 degrees. So same process will happen. So all you have to do is to subtract the smaller arc from the larger arc, then multiply by 1/2 or simply divided by 2. Then you will have the measurement of your angle. So that will be 100 minus 30, that will be 70, divided by 2 or times 1/2, that will be 35. Clear po tayo doon?
Yes po.
Okay po. So let's have an example. Okay. Dito muna tayo. Yan, dito man tayo sa medyo madali. Ito. Yan. Kunyari, magbibigay muna ako. In this case, sabi natin, what is the measurement of R? So alam natin yung R is the angle formed by a secant or a tangent. We have to look for the two intercepted arcs. So it is given that QS is 62 degrees. But the question is, what is the measurement of QT? Ang given kasi sa atin ay ST, which is 116 degrees. Tandaan natin, the whole circle is equal to 360 degrees. So from QS, then ST, pwede natin dire-diretsuhin. Ang matitira na lang doon ay QT. So ano kaya measurement ng QT? Knowing that we have 62 degrees and 116 degrees.
182 degrees, sir.
That is correct. That is 182 degrees. Para pag pinag-add natin yung 62, yung 116, and 182, that is still 360 degrees. Knowing that QT is 182 degrees, pwede na tayo magdiretso to find the angle R. The angle R is simply 182 minus 62. That will equal to 120. And the measurement of angle R is half that difference. So that is 1/2. 1/2 times 120. Sorry. 120. So what is the measurement of angle R?
60 po, sir.
That will be 60 degrees.
po.
That's correct. That will be equal to 60 degrees. Hoping na maliwanag po yun. That is 60 degrees. Clear natin yan. Yan. So, ganun din to. Yan. Ito naman nawawala. So, we have the 90 degrees as the first angle. We have the angle which is 45 degrees. At nawawala naman yung larger arc. So, ang idea nito, ano muna ang dapat makuha natin pag minus natin si x, si 90 kay x para maging 45, divide natin by 2, dapat ay 45. Ano muna ang kailangan natin makuha? Ano kaya magiging difference dapat ni x at saka ni 90 para pag divide natin na ito lalabas ay 45? Dapat
90 po, sir.
Dapat 90 yun. Okay po. So dapat the difference of x and 90 should be 90. So anong number ang maminusan natin ng 90 para lumabas ay 90?
180 po, sir.
That will be 180. That's correct. So that is should be 180 minus 90. That will be 45. 90 divided by 2. That will be 45. Ganun po yun. Okay? So that will be our basis. So that is what we call backtrack. Iba-backtrack natin. Pababalikin natin. Backward movement. Okay? Let's move to the next one. So this will be the third one. The third theorem. The third theorem naman, kung mapapansin natin, wala na tayong secant. And now we have two tangent. Okay po. Kung mapapansin natin, anong special dito? Kasi nung nagkaroon ng two tangent, which is the tangent AB and the tangent CB outside the circle, that at point B, nabuo si angle X. Pero kung mapapansin nyo, technically, yung circle nahati lang sa dalawa, which is the two intercepted arc. We have the intersected arc AC, which is the bigger, and the smaller arc AC, which is the smaller. So we have the 260 and the 100. Kung mapapansin natin, kapag pinag-add natin sila, that is 360. So yun po yung special pag dalawang tangent yung ating pong nag-meet. Nahahati lang niya yung circle into two intercepted arc. Okay? So in this case, paano natin makukuha yung angle X natin? Ganun pa rin po yung process. larger arc minus smaller arc divided by 2. In this case, that will still be 260. 260 minus 100, that will be 80. 260 minus 100 is 160 divided by 2, so that is 80. So the measurement of angle X is 80. Okay po. This is 80 degrees. 260 minus 100, that's 160 divided by 2, that will be 80. Lagi pong ganun lang. Larger arc minus smaller arc divided by 2. Clear po tayo doon?
Yes, sir.
Okay po, clear. Hoping na clear po tayo. Let's have some example. Okay. In this case, what is the measurement of angle L? Angle L. Knowing that we have a central angle that measures 165 degrees. Okay. Ano raw kaya ang measurement ni angle L? Ano kayang arc ang una natin makukuha? Anong arc ang pwede natin makuha? Kasi dalawa dapat yung arc natin. Anong arc yung pwede natin
195 degrees po.
Alin pong arc? Alin po muna yung kailangan nating arc? Kasi parehong arc walang measurement. Kasi ang meron tayo, central angle, which is angle MOP that measures 165 degrees. Yes, Brian Segulo, ano po kaya ang pwede natin makuha mo ng arc?
Sir, yung central arc po, sir, yung ano po, arc MP po.
Arc MP. Ano pong measurement ni arc MP?
165 degrees po.
Bakit po?
Kasi po, pag central angle, sir, ano po, yung value po ng arc niya is equal lang sa size ng central angle po.
Correct. Very good. So, nagamit natin yung pinag-aralan natin huli. Since the given is a central angle, then the measurement of its intercepted arc is just equal to the measurement of the central angle. So, ang central angle natin is MOP with its intercepted arc MP. So, since MOP is 165 degrees, then we can say that angle arc MP is 165 degrees. That's correct. Now, given that this have 165, ano kaya ang measurement ni arc MNP, which is our larger arc? Yes, Brian.
195 degrees po.
Doon po tayo kukuha. So this will be 195 degrees. Kasi sabi nga natin, ang special po sa ating pong dalawang tangent, nahati lang niya yung buong circle into two arc. Since the other arc is 165, then the other arc will equal to 195 degrees. Para pag pinag-add natin ay 360. Now we can now have our arc angle L. What will be the measurement of our angle L? What is the measurement of our angle L?
15 po, sir.
Coming from, saan nanggaling yung 15?
195 minus
195 minus
165 po, 30.
165 degrees po.
Divide 2, 15.
Okay, kung sino man yung dalawa nasagot, well, tama po kayo. It is 195 minus 165. 195 minus 165. Makukuha natin ay 30. At yung 30 na yon ang hahatiin natin or itatimes natin sa 1/2. Then we can have our angle L, which is 15 degrees. Very good. So, yan po yung tatlo ha. So, balikan lang natin. Yung intersection of 2 seconds outside the circle. Intersection of a tangent and a secant outside the circle. And the intersection of two tangent outside the circle. In order to get those angles formed outside the circle, kailangan nyo lang pong i-minus ang larger arc sa small, minusan natin ng smaller arc, then i-divide natin by 2, then you will be having the measurement of your angle formed. Maliwanag po yun. Dun sa tatlo.
Yes,
Opo,
sir.
sir.
Okay po. So hoping na maliwanag po yun. So let's move to isa pang angle. Okay? Isa pang angle na nabuo. Ito naman, the difference between this angle naman na nabuo using ito ay nabuo siya sa loob. Okay? Nabuo sa loob ng angle. Okay po. Using two chords. Okay? We have the chord BA and the chord CD. At nabuo ang ating pong angle. Technically, 4 na angle yon na mabubuo. Okay, kasi parang naka-X sa loob ng circle. Now, paano natin malalaman ang measurement ni angle X? Given, paano natin malalaman ang measurement ni angle X? In order to find the measurement of angle X, dapat ay given ang kanyang intercepted arc at ang intercepted arc ng kanyang vertical angle. Ano yung vertical angle natin? Yung angle sa ilalim niya. Okay? Yung angle na nasa ilalim niya, which is yung angle E. Angle E, meron given din ang kanyang intercepted arc, which is 170. Tandaan natin, vertical angles are always congruent. Vertical angles are always congruent. Ibig sabihin, magkasukat lagi ang ating vertical angle. In that case, angle X and angle E ay magkasukat. Paano natin malalaman ang measurement ni angle X or ni angle E? Since given ang kanilang mga intercepted arc, kabaliktaran siya nung ginawa natin kanina, imbis na i-minus natin, ipagpa-plus natin. So that will be 70 plus 170. That will be 240. Then i-divide natin by 2 or times 1/2. Then that will be 120. So ibig sabihin, the measurement of X is 120 degrees. And also, since angle X and angle E are vertical angles and vertical angles are always equal, then angle E is also 120 degrees. Clear po tayo doon?
Yes.
Opo, tandaan ha, kapag sa loob na buo, that will be positive. Ipagpa-plus. Okay? Pag sa loob na buo. So that is 770 plus 70, that's 240. Divided by 2, that is 120. Okay, let's have another example. Example yan. Paano natin makukuha yung angle X? Sige nga po, ano po ang measurement ni angle X? Yes, Brian, sa gulo?
Sir, ano po, 129 plus 71 po ay tapos i-divide po sa 2.
Ano 129 plus 71?
200 po.
That will be 200. That's correct. Divided by 2?
100 po.
Okay po. So the
100 po.
measurement of our angle X is 100 degrees. Very good. Clear?
Yes, sir.
So, yeah. Very good. Nakukuha po yan. Yan. Paano naman to? Sabi, angle ABC is 70 degrees. Angle ABC is 70 degrees. Ano kaya measurement ni DE?
70 degrees din po.
70 degrees din po si DE? Sure kayo? 70 degrees daw sa ABC. Eh, ang arc AC is 45. Ano kaya ang measurement ni arc DE? Anyone? Sino kayo makapagsabi? Ano kaya measurement ni arc DE?
95 po, sir.
95. Bakit po 95? Yun yun, sa gulo?
Sir, ano po, tawag dito? Yung half po ng 70 degrees po ay ang times 2 po ng 70 degrees is 140. Tapos
Okay.
140 minus 45 po is 95 po.
Okay, very good. So, backward movement tayo. Imbis na magsimula tayo sa pagpa-plus at i-divide, babalik ka rin natin. Dulo tayo manggagaling, ita-times 2 natin, then ima-minus. So, alam natin that will be 70 times 2, that's 140. Then 140 minus 45 is 95. Or simply, kailangan natin o ang goal natin ay makuha natin ay 140. Dahil kapag dinivide natin yung 140, that will be 70. Yun ang ending natin na angle. So ngayon, saan natin i-plus ang 45 para maging 140? That will be 95. Okay? Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay po. So in this case, these theorems, those 4 theorems, focus on the angle form by secant, tangent, and chord. Next, we'll be having the segment itself, the relationship between segment itself. So, labas po muna ako dito. Okay. Nakikita po ang
Opo.
aking pong segment relation naman tayo. Kapag mismong section na ang hinahanap natin, hindi na yung angle, paano natin makukuha yung measurement? Theorem. If 2 chords intersect in a circle, then the product of the lengths of the segments of one chord is equal to the product of the length of the other chord. So ano ibig sabihin nun? Kung mapansin natin, sa ating pong given, we have the 2 chords RS and the chord QT. There are both chords inside circle O and they meet at point D. Kita po? Kita po natin, ang intersection nila ay point B. Ngayon, sabi natin, ang focus natin ay chord, segment, hindi na yung angle. Tapos na tayo sa angle, ha? Alam niyo na yung ginagawa natin sa angle, ina-add, i-divide by 2. But this time around, we'll be focusing on the segment itself. Example, if the measurement of RV is 8 and the measurement of VS is 2. O, 3 na lang, gawin natin 3. So we have RV is 8 and VS is 3. What will be the measurement of BQ? BQ if VT is equal to 6. 6 daw tong si VT na to. Ano kaya raw measurement ni VQ? Okay? Sabi ko sa theorem na to, if the chords intersect within a circle, then the product of the lengths of a segment of one chord is equal to the product of the length of the other chord. So, hahanapin muna natin, ano yung unang chord? Bigyan nyo nga ako ng chord, isang chord na nakita natin kanina.
Chord RS po, sir.
RS. So we have the chord RS. Anong part ang bumubuo sa RS? Anong mga line na bumubuo or line segment na bumubuo sa RS?
Segment RB po. Segment BS.
Correct. We have the segment RB and the segment BS. So ibig sabihin, siya ang bumubuo sa RS. So dahil sila ay segment ng part na yon, kailangan natin kuhanin ang product ng kanilang segment, which is 8 times 3. 8 times 3 ay equal daw sa product ng segment ng other chord. Ano yung other chord natin? Chord QT. Okay? At ano yung mga segment ng QT?
UV po at VT.
We have the QB and the VT. But the QB is missing. QB is missing. Ang meron lang tayo ay si VT which is 6. In that case, pwede na natin siyang isolve. That's 8 times 3 is 24 equals to x times 6 is 6x divided by 6 divided by 6. So x is equals to 4. Now we have the value of BQ which is 4. Check nga natin kung tama. 8 times 3 is 24. Then 6 times 4 is 24. Ganun po yun. Dapat equal ang product ng segment. Clear po tayo doon? Clear po tayo?
Opo, sir.
Okay, let's have another one. Parahin ko to. What if lagay tayo dito, ito ay missing, ito ay 2, this is 10, and this is 4. Ano nawawalang segment?
Segment RV po, sir.
Segment
RV.
RV po.
Nawawalang RV. So anong pagmumultiply natin? So ang anong mga part natin? RV is missing. Meron tayong VS. Anong VS natin?
2 po.
2 po.
Ang VO,
4 po.
4 po.
BO, sorry. BQ pala to. BQ. Anong BQ?
4 po.
4. And the
Four,
other
sir.
one is TV.
10.
Ano? TV?
10 po.
10. So, that will be x times 2 equals 4 times 10. Tama? So, that will be 2x equals 40. Divided by 2. So, x equals to 20. So, our RV is 20. Tama po ba? 20 times 2, 40. 10
40.
times 4,
40.
so equal sila. Clear po tayo doon?
Yes po.
Okay po. Yan ang ating pang-5 theorem. Okay? 8 yung theorem na yan. So, let's have the theorem number 6. Theorem number 6. Ito naman. Balik tayo sa 2 second. If 2 second segments are drawn in circle, the external point, then the product of the length of its second with its external segments are equal. Padayin natin to ha, in an easier word. Labas times buo ay equal sa labas times buo kapag dalawang second. Ano ibig sabihin ko? Example, we have this is 6 and this is 4. This is 5. This is x. Okay. So, ano yung dalawang second natin? Sige nga po. Ano yung dalawang second natin?
BA po at CA.
BA and CA, that's correct. Ang sinasabi ko po dito, in order to solve this problem, it should be labas times buo equals labas times buo. Ibig sabihin, let's focus first with the second BA. Ano yung external side or external segment natin? Ano yung external segment natin? RA. RA is our external segment. Ano yung buo natin? The whole. Ano yung second natin? Our second is AB. AB. Okay? So, ang buo natin ay AB at ang kanyang external part is RA. Gets po yun? Buong second ay
Yes,
AB
sir.
at ang external part natin is si RA. Doon sa kabila, ano yung external part? Ano external part sa kabila? O sige, ano muna yung second sa kabila? Ano yung isa pang second?
Second
C.
CA po.
CA, that's correct. Ano yung external part niya?
TA po.
TA, sir.
Which is TA, that's correct. So, ito ang paraan para ma-solve natin, which is RA times AB equals TA times CA. So, yun yung sinasabi ko, labas times buo ay equal sa labas times buo. So, ngayon, let's have the value. Ano ang value ni RA?
6.
That will be 6. That's correct. Ay, anong value ni AB?
4 po.
O, for ICRB, I am asking for AB, yung buo.
10 po, sir.
10 po.
That will be 10 kasi that is 6, which is AR plus RB, which is yung buong yon ay 10. Yan. So, gets mo, hindi po siya 4 kasi yung 4 ay internal. Pero ang buo natin ay 10. That is 6 plus 4. Ngayon, sa kabila, ano ang measurement ni TA? Ano measurement ni TA?
5.
That will be 5. Anong measurement ni AC?
5 din
5x.
po.
5x, sir.
5x? Anong ginawa natin sa 6 at 4? Anong ginawa natin sa 6 at 4? Inadd natin, di ba?
Pinag-add po.
O, anong gagawin natin sa 5 at sa x?
5x po.
5x?
X plus 5 po.
Correct. It is x plus 5. Hindi po. Kapag sinabi mo kasing 5x, pinag-multiply mo yon 5 times x. Eh, ang sabi na sa atin, i-add. So that is x plus 5. So in that case, pwede natin siyang isolve. 6 times 10, that will be 60. Then this will be 5 times x, that is 5x. Then 5 times 5, this is distribution, ha? 5 times 5 is 25. Then ililipat natin, 60 minus 25 equals 5x. 60 minus 25? 60 minus 25?
35 po.
35.
sir.
That will be 35.
Hmm.
So 35,
35 po.
5x. So divide natin, divided by 5. So x is equals to 7.
7.
Okay po. So ibig sabihin, ang TC natin ay 7. TC equals to 7. Okay? TC equals to 7. Clear po? Let's have another one. Let's have another one. Para mas maliwanag. Yeah. This is much easier. Okay? Given agad ang labas times buo ay equal sa labas times buo. Ano yung let's have the first one. It will be, what is the external part of AB?
10, sir.
10 po.
RA, which is
2 po.
2 times buo. Kasi kung mapapansin nyo naman, yung line naman from A to B, so that is 10. Equals, ano yung external part? ng AC?
X,
It
sir.
will be x times 6, which is the buong AC. So this is 20 equals 6x. So divided by 6 natin. So x is equals to, round off na, lowest term na lang natin, both divisible by 2. So that is 10 over 3. So that will be 10 over 3. Or 3.33 kung gusto nyo i-divide. Clear po tayo dyan? Clear?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay po. Let's move to the seventh theorem. Ano yung seventh theorem natin? The seventh theorem is when we have a secant and a tangent. A secant and a tangent. Okay? So, paano natin po masosolve ito? Kapag ganito, we have the secant, nandun pa rin yung idea ng ginawa natin kanina, which is labas times buo. Pero paano po ang tangent? Kasi ang tangent, wala naman labas times buo. Ang meron lang tayo ay yung buong tangent lang. Paano natin isosolve yun? Okay? In this case, dodoblehin natin yung ating pong tangent. So, paano po natin gagawin yon? So, example, we have, this is x. Nawawala yung tangent. This is 4. And this is 5. Example lang natin. So, punta tayo sa labas times buo. So, we have the TW. Ano yung labas natin? So, ito muna ay magiging TW, TX times TW, which is the labas times buo. Gets po yun? Yung labas na part is TX at ang buong second natin ay TW. Ano mangyayari dito? We have the TV as our second, but this will be squared. Squared natin. Kasi dalawa yung kabilang side. Dapat dalawa rin siya. So, i-square na lang natin siya. So, what is TX? What is the measurement of TX?
4 po.
4,
4
sir.
po.
So, that will be 4. TX is 4. Ano ang TW? What is TW?
9 po.
That will be 9.
9 po.
9. And TV will be x squared. Okay? Kasi x nawawala, then x squared. X squared siya. So that's 4 times 9.
36 po.
36. Equals x squared. So para makuha natin yung x, is square root natin. Square root. So x is equals to
6. 6 po.
So yun po yun. Gets po?
Yes po.
Okay po. So for a secant and a tangent, so that is labas times buo equals squared nung isa. Okay? Labas times buo. Maliwanag na po yung labas times buo. Yung idea ng labas times buo. Kung paano kinukuha yun.
Opo, sir.
Okay po. Then kapag tangent lang naman, i-square niya lang. Okay na po yun. Hindi ko na masyadong pakaka-focus yun. Basta alam niyo yung labas times buo, then square. And we have the last one. The last one is the most difficult one. Yes. Ano yung last one natin? Yan. We have the two tangent. Paano po ang two tangent? The tangent segments of a circle of external points are always congruent. So, ibig sabihin, example, if AB is 7, then AC is also 7. Tapos. Lagi silang magkapareho. Clear po? If AB
Yes,
is
sir.
8, if AB is 8, then AC will also be 8. Hirap, no? Okay. Clear po tayo doon?
Yes po.
Okay po. So that will be the last one. Pag pinakamadali ang dalawang tangent, basta dalawang tangent, magkasukat lang yung dalawang segment nun. Okay? So, for this one, I'll be sending you your worksheet. Wala po dun sa ating module. Nabigyan ko na po yung mga nagpunta dito na kumuha ng walang tablet. So, binigyan ko na po sila ng copy ng kanilang worksheet. But for the rest, ay ipapadala ko po sa inyo pong GC ang gagawin. Okay? Clear po tayo doon?
Yes
Ang
po.
konting ano lang, yung basic computation lang. You don't have to be detailed. Basta may nakita lang ako na konting computation kung paano nyo ginawa, makita ko lang, okay na po sa akin nun. Okay? So any question? So we have the 8 theorems, 4 about angle and 4 about segment. 4 about angle and 4 about segments. Question?
Wala po, sir.
Clear na po tayo. So I'll be sending you your SitWorks. Okay po. So thank you for attending. Bye-bye.
Thank you, sir.
Again,
Thank you.
I'll
Thank you.
be, for those na nalilito pa at kailangan pa, ipopost ko po ulit ang ating pong video. Okay? Bye-bye.
Bye po, sir.
Bye,
Thank you
sir.
po.
Thank you po.